water. We see experiment, by using experiment we studied all these two topics. In today's video we are going to see about the things floats on water or sink in water. For that we again see one experiment and we require some things that are available at home, in school, in your compass box. Okay, see the experiment. So student, see the setup of experimental setup. Here I take some things that are available easily. So I take here the things that are available at home. First I take spoon. Here is spoon. Then rubber. Here is coin. Here is hairpin. Here is safety pin and hooks. Here is bolt, screw and blade. These things are available at your home. Okay. Some things I taken from your compass box. Sketch pen. Here is lid of pen. Chalk, eraser and compass. That things are available in your compass. And some outdoor thing I had taken, that are leaves and stones. Okay, let's do. Put these all things one by one in this box. This box is filled with water. We are going to study experiment about the things that are sink in water or float on water. So first I put compass. See carefully. Then I put eraser. That is also sink in water. Then chalk. See carefully. Then I put lid of pen. Then sketch pen. Then I put hairpin. Then hooks. See, safety pin. Then I put spoon in this water. Then screw. Then rubber. Then I put blade. Then next thing is bolt. Then the next one is coin. See carefully. Then I put these stones in this box. See what happened with the stones. Then I put these leaves of a plant in this water. Now student, see what you observe. You observe that some things that float on water, or some things are sink in water. So why this is so? What you can conclude from this? Yes, correct. The things that are lighter than water are floats on water. Plastic, the things that are made with plastic are float on water, but the things that are heavier than water are sink in water. See, these metal things, eraser, stones are sink in water. So we conclude from this experiment, the things that are lighter than water are float on water, and the second conclusion is the things that are heavier than water are sink in water, and the things that are sink in water are eraser, screw, coin, etc. And the things that are floating on it are plastic, lid, then sketch pen, leaves, etc. Okay. So what we learn from this experiment? We learn